Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect ptron audio on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on Samsung mobile phone. After you have been moved on Samsung, here you have to click on these connections. When you move on connection, just turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, when you turn on the Bluetooth, just click on the middle of the Bluetooth. After you have been moved on it, here the device is searching. Okay, it's searching for the available devices. So there is no available devices, it's just searching. Okay, you have to wait for some moment. Ptron watch has came, but we are waiting for the ptron audio. So the ptron audio has not come yet, so you have to wait for the searching. Just if it doesn't, if the searching has stopped, just click on scan. Okay, so when you click on scan here, the ptron audio should came, but it doesn't came. So right now you have to move on this call app and click. When you move on call app, it says turn on, but it doesn't work, right? So you have to wait for some moment and click on scan again. You just try again and again. Okay, when it's it's, I don't know why it's not coming. Maybe there is something problem. If your one is coming, then you can give me a comment. If not like this, like me, just off the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth. Let's see. Oh, here right now it has came. So just click on ptron audio. When you click on this ptron audio will be pair. Okay, just click on pair on it. Here right now the ptron audio will be connected successfully on your smartwatch. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.